How do you make people listen to you? I'm talking about people paying close attention to you. The thing is, people, you, me, we all of us, we don't listen. We are not listening. We are not really understanding as to where the other person is actually coming from, but we are waiting to respond, which is not really the right way. So what is the right way? We first need to listen and really understand where are they coming from, what is their point, what is their perception. Now, when we understand it, the whole story becomes so much refined. Okay? So how do you make people listen to you? How do you make people pay close attention to you? I'm going to give you 3 simple steps and let's dive in. Okay, so when you apply these 3 simple steps in the first conversation itself, you will start feeling the changes. People will lean towards you and pay very close attention to you with their eyes and ears open. Are you ready? The first one is you need to maintain eye contact. And this is even if you're talking to a stranger or your family or your colleagues or anybody for that matter, you need to maintain the eye contact. People don't really maintain the eye contact. That means when you don't maintain the eye contact, there is no traction. That means you're not really holding the attention of the other person. So the attention of yours and the others is pretty much scattered. Okay, that's the first thing. Maintain the eye contact, but don't stare into their eyes for 13 hours. That's not what you need to do. What you need to do is just hold your eye contact for 4 to 5 seconds and then move away somewhere else and then again get back, bring the contact back. This is going to establish the holdings in your entire conversation. That's the first one. The second one is that you need to lower 2 things. You need to lower the pace, you need to lower your volume. Okay? Don't lower your volume in a crowded place where the person is barely hearing you. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is lower your pace. When you're talking, you've got to talk really slow. Now, I'm talking like this. I'm talking so fast is because I need to squeeze as much as information as I can within the stipulated period of time, which is why I'm talking really fast. This is not how I speak in reality. Okay? So what you need to do is you need to speak really slow. You need to be contained. You need to be emotionless. You need to be cold. And when you hold an eye contact, when you speak slowly, and especially at the end of the sentence, you need to lower your pace further down. Okay, this is going to make the person more curious, and you need to hold that. For the other person to hold their attention for a longer period of time, you need to lower your pace and lower your volume. Okay, so that means the person is paying more closer attention to whatever you're saying. That's the second one. The third one, you need to lean back. You're getting it? You're not sitting straight. You're not leaning forward to say something. That means you're desperate. You should not show your desperateness for the other person to actually get it. Instead, what you need to do is, if you don't get it, that's your loss. That should be your perception. Okay, that should be your point of view. So what you need to do is speak slow, hold the eye contact, but lean back. Always lean back and then talk. That means when you're leaning back, the other person gets more curious and then they will come towards you, they will lean towards you, and that is how you hold the attention for a very, very long period. Stay hard and kill it, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.